Bada boom! Alrighty. Strictly Sneaker Unboxings is presenting the sneaker unboxings of unboxings. Back with another unboxing here. Let's get into it. What do you think about that? These are from Asia. This is wrapped pretty funky, actually. You got the sneaker box and you got some plastic film. And it's actually pretty sturdy, so maybe that's the way to go. You get a lot of damaged boxes. Is this really gonna cut into anything? That's what I want to know. This thing is not cutting. There we go. I gotta put a little more pressure into that. So, nice day out today. Just gonna go outside, touching around meaninglessly. Trying to open this box. Trying to not take 10 minutes to open a box. Honestly, I have no idea what's in here. I actually have somewhat of an idea, but I don't know for fact. I think a Jordan 9 is in here. Two Air Jordans, for that matter. So, here we go. So they're individually wrapped. And I'm going to take this out and just rip off the plastic because it'd be a lot easier. So here we go. We're going to be careful, Yeah, Jordan 14 box. Wow. So, Jordan 14 box. What do you think about that? Okay, yes. Jordan 14 reverse Ferrari or golden university what is it? University yellow? University gold. Okay. Size 7, it's a rare size. And it's pretty nice. I expect the price to go up on these eventually. The sneaker market is quite funky right now, I will say. Because not a lot of people have a lot of spare money to spend. Size 7. So, Jordan 14 for, we'll call it reverse yellow Ferrari, we'll call it that. Or it's golden university yellow. Leather is decent on this. Size 7, men's, rare sizing in the sneaker world is that ultimate size 7 men's. People gotta pay up usually for that, so not bad. Alright, so second one. I think this is the Jordan 9 I was talking about. Yeah. This is also a size 7. What do you think about that? Alright, let's take a look. Yes. Well, look, back-to-back videos. And we got some more mellow mops. This is a size 7, which is a rare size. Alright, so I'll zoom in on that in a second, but yeah. Hold on a second. I'll show you. Okay, so this finish right here is gold finish. Usually there's been a lot of pairs have discoloration, but this pair itself does not. And I'm very fortunate. I was very skeptical, to be honest with you. So I got these at a decent price, I will say, and you never know what you're gonna get. And a lot of pairs have a discoloration, so this pair doesn't. Thankful for that. You were wondering about these tags right here. This is a common method used by Asia sellers, resellers. for return process. So if you snip this, you can't return the item. That's what it's commonly used for. No, it's not an off-white tag. So that's that. So if you see that, don't be alarmed. It's an interesting tactic they use. So this is the Jordan 9 Mellow Mop. This is second one I've gotten of these. I might purchase more. If they still have them. But I think this is a beautiful shoe. The material on here is pretty nice. And this has not discolored greatly, so that's good. So today, it is a Jordan 14 Yellow Ferrari and Jordan 9 Mellow MOP, Mellow Mop. Both size 7 men's. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. Both items will be for sale. Market pricing 10 to 50, below market pricing usually, no sales tax. That's how it goes. So thank you for watching. Strictly sneaker unboxings, and we'll catch you on the next one. Ta-ta.